Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today we will make a presentation with our discussion with the topic material modification in barbell exercise equipment. Our group consists of Khairuddin Amin, Intan Dwi Kusuma Putri, Restiana Dwi Wulan Maulida, and Azuda Hafizah Hilma Wibowo. And the first topic we're gonna talking about background.
Okay, thank you, Rusty. Now we will talk about the background. Our topic is about the barbell material. So, in recent decades, public awareness of health and physical fitness has grown significantly. As a result, the demand for exercise equipment has increased, including the use of barbells in strength training and general fitness. However, behind the growing popularity of these tools, there are environmental concerns related to the materials used in their production. The following points highlight key issues addressed in this presentation. The first, the rising demand for fitness equipment is rising, and the second is environmental impact of conventional metal materials. The third is sustainability issues of synthetic coating. The fourth is the potential of eco-friendly composite materials. And the fifth is the need for materials re-evaluation through a green chemistry perspective. Next. Okay, and then we got three research questions to guide this study. The following research questions are proposed. The first is, what are the physical and chemical characteristics of the material components used in conventional barbells? Two, what alternative materials can be used to modify barbells? Three, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the modified barbell materials? Next. And the objectives of this study aims to achieve the following objectives. And the first is to identify the physical and chemical characteristics of the material components used in conventional barbell. Two, to analyze alternative materials that can be used to modify barbells. And three, to determine the advantages and disadvantages of modified barbell material. Next. And the following urgency of this research lies in these 3 points. The first is to encourage innovation in environmentally friendly materials within the fitness industry. Two, to raise awarenesses of the role of materials chemistry in reducing the environmental impact of everyday products. And three, to support the principles of the circular economy through the redesign of materials that are naturally biodegradable. Next.
Material modification in barbell equipment. First, mild steel, advantage. First, low cost and widely available. Two, adequate stiffness or Young's modules for standard lifting. Disadvantage, low yield strength or prone to deformation under high loads. Two, susceptible to rust without coating. Material 2, stainless steel, advantage, excellent resistance to corrosion and rust. 2, durable and aesthetically appealing. Disadvantage, first high production cost. 2, similar stiffness to mild steel despite greater strength. Next. 3, high strength steel, advanced height strength to weight ratio to allow for lighter bar design with strong performance. This disadvantage expensive or typically used only in premium or grade barbells. 4, Cast iron, advantage, strong and affordable for basic use, disinfectant, prone to rust, non-adjustable weight to can damage flooring and produce loud noise when dropped. 5. PFC plastic, advanced, lightweight, inexpensive, rust-proof, disinfectant, low durability, crack under heavy load, environmentally unfriendly, short lifespan, difficult to resolve. Rubber coating, advantage, protect floor and reduce noise to offer improved grip and comfort. Disinfectants, rubber may crack or peel over time. To synthetic rubber is not biodegradable and difficult to resolve.
Okay, the next topic we're gonna talking about material selection. Barber material must be balanced, strength, stiffness, and cost efficiency. Mid steel, despite its lower yield strength, is often chosen for its affordability and sufficient stiffness. Design decision are based on yield strength, material cost, and application constraints. Example: iron grip barbell, improved barber durability via advanced welding and design simulation. Performance validation includes 4-point static bending test to assess elasticity and stiffness under load. Then next we are going to talking about physical and chemical characteristic of conventional barber materials. The first physical characteristic of conventional barber materials. Barbell exhibit elasticity affecting motion during lift. Barbell design, strike, impact joint force, lifting efficiency, and user biomechanic. Elastic behavior causes difference in bar motion at ends center during dynamic lifts. And the second one is chemical characteristic of conventional barber materials. The chemical composition, like carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, and copper, determines strength, corrosion resistance, and microstructural integrity. Processing methods like TMT bars, calls, and pressing and surface quality influence durability and reliability. Chemical characteristics are essential for longevity and performance of barbell component.
Okay, next we will discuss the alternative materials or for barbell modification. We have two alternative material. The first is carbon fiber composite materials. Composition fine filaments with 5 to 10 micrometer diameter agreed in two bundles. Matrix epoxy resin as fiber bonding agent. Tensile strength 3,500 to 7,000 MPa for extending ordinary steel. Elastic modulus 230 to 900 GPa. Very rigid yet lightweight structure. Then we have polymer composite materials. Definition: multi-phase material from polymer combination with other materials. Polymer matrix is the thermoplastic can be remelted and thermoset permanently hardened. Example: epoxy resin, polyester, vinyl ester, rain covering fiber, glass fiber, aramid, or Kevlar, and natural fibers. Okay, next is advance of modified materials. The first is high strength to weight ratio. Specific strength 5 to 10 times higher than ordinary steel. Supports maximum athlete performance. Design flexibility. Precise material property engineering. Customizable according to user needs. High corrosion resistance. Excellent resistant to chemical degradation and reduce maintenance requirements. Next, vibration damping properties effectively damage vibration, and improves workout comfort and low thermal conductivity. Suppose doesn't become too hot or cold and comfortable to use in extreme temperatures. Next, disadvantage of modified materials. First is high production costs, expensive raw materials and fabrication, barrier to large-scale implementation. Complex manufacturing process requires precise parameter control and needs advanced equipment and specialist expertise. Different failure mode. Breed failure without deformation sheets and unlike materials that show plastic deformation. Impact load vulnerability. Invisible internal damage and can drastically reduce structural strength. Repair, repair limitation requires complete part replacement and complex, expensive repair process. Environmental degradation. Polymer matrix can degrade from UV, humidity, and thermal cycling, reduce long-term performance. Next.
All right, the next is conclusion. Based on the results of the study and discussion that has been conducted, it can be concluded as follows. The first, the physical and chemical characteristics of barbell materials components are generally made from materials such as mild steel. And two, material innovations that can be offered are carbon fiber and polymer composite. Okay, further research and collaboration between educational institutions and local industry are needed to develop economical, composite material sustainable of mass production needs of environmentally friendly barbell. Next. Thank you for your attention. I think that's all for our presentation today. Hopefully our presentation can increase and about our awarenesses about environmental material friendly. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.